This is going to be a quick tutorial going over some of the interesting code blocks on the BBC Microbit. By the end of this, we should be able to use some basic BBC Microbit commands to create more complex programs, understand some of the fundamentals such as debugging and pseudocode, and learn how to save a project and share it with others. All right, let's check out some of these blocks. I am at makecode.microbit.org. You can also get here by going to the Microbit webpage, clicking Let's Code, and Let's Code. All right, I want to show you some of these basics. So we got show number. If I put that in my forever loop and I pick a number here, we can see that it shows that number on the LEDs. We can also show icon, where it will show whatever we pick. It says this one's a cow. We can show LEDs, and whatever you click will be what shows up. We can show a string or a short amount of letters. I could say Mr. Hill. And shortly we will see Mr. Hill indeed start scrolling. Super neat. We also have a clear string. So if I had an icon and I wanted it to flash, I might have, that one's under more, clear string. This point, it's forever trying to show this icon and then clear the screen and then show this icon. We've been playing around with the forever loop. The forever loop does whatever in it forever. We can also put in a pause. Let's bring back our show icon and clear screen. Our pause is really useful because right now, that is flashing so fast we can hardly see it. I'm going to put in a pause between showing the icon and clearing the screen. It's a little bit longer. Let's try 500, which is half a second. Doesn't seem to have done much. Let's try 1000. So it's pausing before the clear screen. This is a great debugging. I thought I would have it pause in between to give a blank spot. Let me move my pause down till after the clear screen. That's a much different look. I like that. I also want to show you that we can access some of the really neat information that this is able to tell us. So let's go to more and show arrow. And north, northeast, east. So we could use these arrows maybe to make a compass later once we start pulling that compass information. All right, let's try a simple project. I want to make something that will flash a smiley and then a sad face. First, let's make some pseudocode for that. Pseudocode helps. It's like what you would describe to the robot that you want it to do. All right, robot, I want you to blink a smiley and sad face. All right, what's step one? Step one, show smiley face. All right, step two, show sad face. So I could copy and paste and be like, all right, robot, show me a smiley face again. Show me a sad face. Show me a smiley face. Show me a sad face. But there's an easier way to do that. What were some of those blocks we just used that could make an easier way to do that? You're screaming at your monitor, use that forever loop, and I will. I'm going to drag out some LEDs. I'm going to try making a little smiley face. Now I'm going to drag out another one, and I'm going to make a sad face. As soon as I click off, I can see it start simulating it. If this is too fast, I could put a pause in. This is only one of many possible solutions. One important thing when you're writing code is to leave some comments to help you understand later why you did the thing that you did. If I right-click, I can say add comment, and then click that question mark to be able to add a comment. I wanted to make a smiley face and sad face blink. Awesome. You can make that disappear by clicking it. But if later on and in more complex programs, I'm like, wait, what was I trying to do here? There it is. All right, it's important to remember to save your programs. Sad and happy. Once I name that, I can smash that save button, and it will download it for me. To keep this forever, I'm going to want to open up my drive and then drag that in. This way, next class, if I want to work on this again, I can download this application and open it again by going to Projects and Import File from my computer. I would have to download the file from Google Drive to have access to it. All right, so we began using the BBC Microbit commands to make complex programs. Hopefully we got some introduction to debugging and pseudocode, and we learned how to save a project and share it with others.